Good morning, dear children. In today's video, you will learn how to create form by using Excel database. Hello children. Today's topic, forms in MS Excel. Using a form to enter data. First of all, what is form? A form is simply a dialog box that lets you display or enter information one record at a time. The data forms in Excel allows us to see, to add, edit, delete or find records from database. A form is a dialog box that provides an easy way to enter or display a complete row of information or record. It has text boxes to enter data in fields and command buttons to manipulate the data. A data form provides a convenient means to enter or display one record of information at a time. We can delete, add or edit. Even we can find more records from our database easily. Form is a hidden feature of MS Excel. This feature we have to enable from the given steps. As we activate the form, it will display in Quick Access toolbar. To activate the form, click on File tab and then select Options. Click on Quick Access toolbar and then choose Commands from. Here from the drop down button, you have to select Commands not in the ribbon and then select Form option. Then click on Add button and finally on OK button. As we click on OK button, the Form button will appear in Quick Access toolbar. Open Database and select a cell. Then click on Form button present in Quick Access toolbar. It will display first record, and as I told you that in form records are displayed one by one. Text box and command buttons are displayed with the form. Here I am giving you the description of the command button also, like new to add record, delete to remove record, find next, find previous, criteria. criteria button is used to search record, to find record. As we click on criteria button, it will display in the upper right corner of the form. Then in the first column, we have to give the criteria to find or to search the record. I am giving here 103 in roll number, and then we have to press enter key. As we press enter key, it will display the record which match suitable criteria. Like I have given there 103 roll number, so it will display all the details about 103 roll number, all the information about the given roll number.